Hey guys, so today I'm going to show you how to clean your DJ set. It's being used heavily. There's so much dust on it. There's so much smudginess, sweat, cigarette ashes, bro, I don't know. It needs to be really cleaned, so stay tuned and you see how. Okay, so after we finish from vacuuming, we have to bring a microfiber towel, a dry one, and some window cleaning substance. You put just a little bit, and you start wiping every single button. So the first CDJ is done. Now we start with the mixer. Alright guys, that's how you detail your DJ set. You should always clean it because the residue from the fingerprints, it will stay on the DJ set and it will ruin the DJ set. So it's very important to clean your DJ set, and of course you should do maintenance if it needs. Thank you for watching. I will see you very soon in a video related to DJing, of course. Bye.